Hello, this is RJ with Spoked.com, and today I'm going to be walking you through the account merge tool that we've recently released. If you've been invited to join a hub from a My Family site, it's likely that if you're in multiple My Family sites, it's likely that you've had an account that's been automatically created in addition to your original account on Spoked to accommodate the new user from a different site. There are reasons why we won't auto merge your account in specific circumstances. Usually it's because the username is different, but in any event, this is a tool that will allow you to merge two accounts that have been created for you on Spoked into one account. And so I'll walk you through that now. Right now I'm logged into my original Spoked account, and this is my RJ Spoked support account, and you can see that I'm in two hubs here. And I've received an email, or you should have received an email that looks similar to this, and it'll basically say, hey, I've successfully migrated all of the conversations from My Family site to our new Spoked hub, and there'll be some credentials here that'll be created for you so that you have that new account ready to go. The problem is that you'll have to log in or log out of your original account or your main account and then log into a new account and see this new hub. And most people want to see both hubs in the same account with the same login. And so this merge tool allows you to do that. So what we'll do is we'll log out and we'll log in with this user just so that we can kind of see what it looks like. And I'll just copy and paste these credentials and click login. And you can see the first thing that it says is your email address is invalid. Please update and click Save Changes. Well, you can obviously see that the email address that's here is not my real email address. My real email address is support@spoked.com. But as you can see, the email address that was in there was auto-generated by our system when it created the new user. Now, email addresses are unique for all Spoked users, but at myfamily.com, the email address could be shared across multiple accounts. So, for instance, if your wife had an account and you had an account, you could both share the same email address. We keep these unique for a few reasons, but suffice it to say that these need to be distinctive, and that's why we create a separate email address. So when you go ahead and update that with the proper email address and the username that you'd like to use, click Save Changes. You can see it doesn't work. This says email address has already been taken, username has already been taken. And so we're going to solve that by using the merge tool. So we'll go ahead and log out of the new account, and we'll log back into our primary account, or the original account that was created. And at this point, what we want to do is go to the Edit Account screen and click on Account. And you can see it says, did you end up with two Spoked user accounts? We'll go ahead and click Merge Accounts here. And we highly suggest that you read this text here. It's very, this is an irreversible process, and it should be clear what you're doing here. Right now, it tells me that I'm logged in as RJ Spoked, instead of, as you can remember, this other user was RJ Spoked 123, and that's the new user that I would like to merge this account with this account. So, but I want this to be my primary account, so I'm logged in as RJ Spoked, and essentially once I enter this information and click Combine and Remove this account, there's no going back. It can't be undone. So make sure that you're logged in as the proper account. Just a few points, a case or two where you will not want to use this tool is, for instance, if an account has been created, a separate account for a wife or a child, a spouse or a child, or someone else that's using the same email address as you, but they are in fact a different user or a different person, then you probably do not want to merge. In fact, what you'd like to do, or what you should do, is create a new email address through a free service like Gmail, and then change their email address on their account to that so that they can log in separately. In the meantime, what we will do is go ahead and merge this account. This is my account on My Family under the Spoked Family site, and so I'm going to put this in. I'd like to log in to that hub with my original account or my main account. So I'll go ahead and click combine and remove this account. And now it's finished, and it says that it should take several hours to complete. In some cases, it can be as long as 24 to 48 hours. If it takes much longer than that, then feel free to contact support. Typically, we see this happens in a matter of minutes. If I go to Hub Home now, I can now see that I have the Spoked Family Hub inside my hub list, and that should be accessible now. And this other account that was created here has now been eliminated. It's been swallowed up by this account, and that user has been deactivated. And now I can log into all of my hubs just through the one username and password and email address that is my original one that I want to keep. So I hope that helps you understand how to merge accounts, and let us know what you think in the comments below. Thanks.